3 minutes into 2026 and Black Coffee said, when are the courts opening? When are the courts opening? Black Coffee agalali unama nightmares, thinking that if buy money from Investec goes to Mbali's Capitec account, I'd rather suffer. I'd rather suffer. Oh, Nati. Ngiyanamukela kwinkqubo yami bomtaba kadad, bomtaba kagogo, bomtaba ka-auntie, bomtaba kasisi. I am Serms, and it's at the right Serms on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you want more traffic on your platforms, sorry, I have got you covered. Titi for day. Hi, Nina. How many times did I say hi, Nina? Women hate each other to the highest level of hate, because what do you mean? There's a trend going around on TikTok of girls saying that ending the year with the woman he cheated on me with. You literally took a video of yourself and then matched it with the girls your boyfriend was sleeping with. Okay, girl. Now it also you're the main chick. Oh, okay. So and then this is the side chick. Oh, okay. I wonder how we got to that conclusion. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, oh cute. So and then going to and then going to one post. Oh my lord. Nangomunye. Begin. Nababantwana babantu uyabapost. Why ungaposti oyakho? Why ungapostanga oyakho? Hayibo nangomunye. Like, who came up with this trend? Shook. Angizwa. Angoni. Nitini. Guys, why are you exposing the girl and not the man that went to the girl?
Post the man that cheated on you. Post the man that cheated on you. You guys love embarrassing women so much. You think you're humbling them. Hey, this is the woman he cheated on me with. Post the man that embarrassed you. Stop doing that. You guys are weird.
So it means that you are going to forgive the chitoria. And you are gonna move on in life with the chitoria. And then you think you ate by exposing the other woman. It's not the other woman. If Najola, guys, there's no other woman Mjolweni. It's survival of the fittest. It's a matter of who's going to get to number one first. Because Najola nonke anshatanga. You know, if my boyfriend cheats on me, well, he's going to be dead. So I don't even know why we're even talking about that, because I'll be insensitive, you know. But I'm just saying, if my boyfriend cheats on me, guys, he is not something to be taken. He went. Exposing the other woman. And who are you? Who are you? In Mjolo. Who are you? Mjolo ngabe ubwani na? Guys, let's not start 2026 in funny ways. Nangbor. Kancane nangbor. Before we continue, we've got the deliciously lovely Natasha. South African babies are so brave. How are you in the Netherlands, starting life in the Netherlands? My love, I love your content, especially your podcast. It is so raw, it is so authentic, it is so honest, guys. If you are looking for lifestyle, faith-based content and what life looks like as an expert, look no further, because Natasha is covering this journey so beautifully. And thank you for keeping me company this December, Natasha. I watched quite a few of your vlogs and I loved it, especially when you got the job. I was like, yes, girl.
Molweni, my name is Natasha and I'm a South African living in the Netherlands, and this is where I share my journey of expat life. If you've ever wondered what it's like to leave home and start over in a new culture and build from scratch, you're in the right place. Here I share life abroad, faith and personal growth content, helping you to step into a more purposeful and authentic version of yourself. And when you need real talk, my podcast dives into the honest conversations we don't always say out loud. You'll also see bits and pieces of my everyday life, the simple moments and that make this journey special. So join me as we explore expat life, transformation, faith and honest conversations, one day at a time.
Another one that has bored me to the body color of the Bodacia. That one of Nathi Maphumulo, aka Black Coffee. He couldn't wait for the courts to open, and the courts couldn't wait to look at his case. So, Black Coffee has been granted the appeal regarding his divorce settlement. You remember that back in October, uEnhle Mbali won her case, and she was granted half of the assets, and Black Coffee's argument was that no, she signed a prenup, but it was established that no, sweetie, the prenup was signed after the customary marriage, so therefore it is null and void. Kare hai nina. So Black Coffee is saying that no, 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 no. You don't know that I consented to the customary marriage. And no, Enhle Mbali is like, you were there celebrating. We did everything according to the tradition, which means you were a consenting part of this customary marriage. And then Black Coffee said, yeah, but because that's when I had 10,000. When I woke up and I had 50 million, I said, Mbali, was, sign this. And Mbali signed. So now, how does that make it null and void? Eh? No, a customary marriage iyangihlula because I didn't know it automatically means half of my Ferrari. I don't want Bali to even touch the steering wheel. So now they're going back to court. They'll be disputing the customary marriage and that Black Coffee did not fully consent. He didn't know that it automatically meant half. And they're also going to be arguing the terms of the maintenance. That Umbali and Black Coffee agreed to the maintenance order, but Black Coffee says, I didn't agree. Everything Black Coffee nje, une amnesia. He's just amnetic. He's so amnesia, he doesn't remember that did he fly with Fly S Febe or did he fly with SAA? He doesn't remember anything Black Coffee. When it comes to things that involve money, he doesn't remember much. So, mina, as umntana kaPoppy, i-ex-eka Richard, Richard Law, I used to call my mother Richard's Bay, but then they broke up. So now she's just my dad's baby mama. Yes. I'm just shook as you are, guys. I'm literally like, you know? So we are really entering 2026 with boys trying to show us fire. From Musam Seleko, wanting his name to be all over the billboards of Makumalo's achievements. Every time Makumalo coughs or draws 10 rand, Musa is like, yeah, I'm the one that opened the doors. Now Black Coffee does not want Mbali to spend his money from Investec. He's like, nyeke, nyeke. Oh, imali yakabani? Eyami. Mina ngeke sis. Angiyenzwa kanjalo. So it's going to be very interesting, guys. So yeah, man, let us talk in the comment section down below. What?